This decadent mousse cake consists of 2 layers of dark chocolate cake, 2 layers of creamy chocolate mousse, and a rich ganache topping. Let's get started making the cake. Sprinkle 1½ teaspoons of gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water. Let sit for 2 minutes or until the gelatin absorbs all the water. Add the gelatin to 3/4 cup of heavy cream, which has been brought to a boil. Stir until the gelatin is melted. Pour the cream gelatin mixture over 252 grams of high-quality chocolate. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk the chocolate and cream until smooth. Whip 1½ cups of heavy cream to medium peaks. Whisk 1/3 of the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture. Gently fold the remaining cream into the bowl. Place a layer of chocolate cake in a springform pan and brush generously with simple syrup. Add 1/2 of the chocolate mousse to the pan. Smooth with a spatula. And tap the pan gently on a countertop to release any bubbles. Add another layer of chocolate cake on top of the mousse. Gently press down on the cake and brush this layer generously with simple syrup. Add the remaining mousse to the pan. Smooth with a spatula. And tap the pan gently on the countertop to release any air bubbles. Place the cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to set. Measure 6 ounces of chocolate into a bowl and pour 1/2 cup of boiling cream over the chocolate. Let this rest for 5 minutes. Stir the chocolate and cream until smooth. Pour the ganache over the cake and smooth with a spatula. Now return the cake to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. To unmold the cake, dip a knife into hot water and run the knife around the side of the pan. Carefully release the pan sides from the cake. Smooth the side of the cake with a hot spatula if needed. You may wish to decorate the top of the cake with white chocolate, fresh raspberries, or any other method that you would like. Enjoy.